Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. If you want to change your current state of poverty, you can learn the secrets of others' success and become rich. In this video, we are telling you about 4 ways to make easy money. Start with the first one, sell your old stuff. From this point, a question arises in our mind: what is old stuff? Those things which are unnecessary for us. You can earn money by selling your old things to interested people. For selling old stuff, you can use different apps, like as Facebook Marketplace, Amazon or eBay, and Gazelle, by just adding a picture and description of your product and creating a post. Your unnecessary thing is live for sale. By selling your old stuff on these platforms, you can earn $1,577 to $1,958 per year your income wisely. The next way of earning in the list is sign up for paid surveys. Online surveys are a legitimate way for brands to get consumer feedback on their products and services. Many companies pay you to give feedback through their surveys. Some of the best survey sites include Branded Surveys, Toluna, Swagbucks, and LifePoints. In online surveys, Swagbucks plays a vital role. Swagbucks are one of the largest and most reliable paid survey sites. They've so far paid over $365 to $1,825 per year in rewards to members around the world. They offer rewards for playing games, taking offers, searching the web, and making online purchases and watching videos. Swagbucks is one of the best reward sites, if not the best, to earn up to $100 per survey for just pushing a few buttons in your free time. The third one is rent out a room of your house. You can earn money from your extra rooms of your house. In this way, you can give any room for a rent to those persons who is in search of a room. They are maybe students, businessmen, teacher, and policeman. You can also earn money by saving the old stuff of the other people in your room by giving a space to anyone for pet sitting. If a 4-bedroom house is renting for $2,000 a month and a 2-bedroom apartment is renting for $1,000 a month, then it would be fair to consider $500 a month fair. Keep in mind that usually apartments and houses don't rent with paid utilities, so your tenant is getting a bonus. Let's discuss the last one, do other people chores. First, we tell you about what is other people chores. Such tasks like cleaning, washing, and ironing that have to be done regularly at home are chores. You can also earn by working in a firm. The most lucrative chores include washing cars, babysitting, and gardening, according to data collected by allowance tracking app Rooster Money. Let's discuss the earnings by doing other people's chores. The top-paying gig, washing cars, earned kids a whopping $12.49 each time on average. For work smart and boost your income, these ways helps you to earn a handsome income. Hope you know much from these ways and boost your earnings by following these ways. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.